Hi, in this brief video, we'll take a look at identifying the root cause of high port utilization on my fiber channel sand fabric. I've got a number of charts here that help me in guiding me through the identification of the culprits. The easiest way to go here is to look at my port utilization, and this is looking at the bidirectional port utilization for all the ports on the sand fabric. And it's highlighted in red. That tells me there's some exceptions happening. And then if I look at the legend here, it's got the switch port, or the switch WWPNs. Usually it would be the switch name, but I've anonymized those for the sake of this video. You can see though in the parentheses I have square brackets here, and I have a number of 0.7 that indicates a pretty high rating. But I know that I've got a 0.91 in here somewhere, so I'm going to scroll down and look for my 0.91. That is SWIT 5. And I'm going to drill down to that, and I see it's not the E ports, it's the F ports that are having high utilization. So I'm going to drill down to the F ports, and I can see there's a number of them here, but the one, and I'll isolate on, I'll click on it and isolate on it. The one that has the highest port utilization, it's consistently over 50% and up to 70%. It may be okay, but it is having quite a bit of throughput consistently. It looks like it's a virtual port based on the actual numbers. Now we can also look at, and I'll just go back a couple screens, and I'm going to look at this other switch and its ports, the one that was rated with a 0.7, and I see I've got this port 00062 that has also a high percentage, and we can see that it's currently running at 2. But it's a maximum data rate of 8. So we could probably lower the utilization on that port just by configuring the port correctly. For some reason, one of the ports that is connected here to this port is having, and it's probably this WWPN on this host, is actually configured at 2 instead of a higher number for some reason. So the way to resolve this would be to, of course, set this particular port from 2 to a higher number if that is possible on that device.